Are you wondering why you receive these two pieces with your retractable canopy? Well, I'm going to tell you why. So whether you get one retractable canopy or two retractable canopies, you will always get these two pieces. So if you get the retractable canopy, you do not have to put these two pieces if you are putting the retractable canopy on this side of your wagon. So on the side closest to the handlebar, because as you can see, there's a space, and that's what this would be for. So that's why you don't need to have this little piece on this side of your wagon. But if you're putting the retractable canopy on this side of your wagon, then that's where these come into play. So this is how I'm gonna show you. So you're gonna go ahead and grab your other retractable canopy, and you're just gonna go ahead and slide those pieces on to the ends of your retractable canopy like that. And then you're gonna go ahead and just slide your retractable canopy into the frame, and that's how you're gonna get that lift so that it matches this side of your wagon.